Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download Google Keyboard for Android. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, Google Keyboard has been rebranded as Gboard. To download Gboard on your Android device, just follow these steps. So, the first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Gboard and hit enter. Look for the official Gboard app developed by Google LLC. Tap on the Gboard app from the search results. If not yet installed, click the install button to download and install Gboard on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Settings app on your Android device. Then search for Gboard using the search icon under the General Management on Keyboard List. And default, make sure to enable Google Board. Now, Gboard is downloaded and enabled on your Android device, and you can start using it as your default keyboard. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.